Shouldn't be mixing white brown, but that's how you feeling right now. You still sleeping on you, you the baddest in your.
What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be constructing another wig with hair that I got from Amazon from Miss Gaga. This hair comes with 3 28-inch bundles and a 20-inch closure. They also included a free pair of lashes. This is the closure. Straight out the pack, this is how she looks. Comes with baby hairs. It looks like it's pre-plucked a little. It's not that thick, so you won't have to remove a lot of hair. It's very soft. Yeah, this is a medium lace. It's a 4x4. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to bleach the closure. I'm gonna take my bowl and I'm gonna pour developer just below the number 2 marker that's inside the bowl. That was 40 volume developer that I poured in there. Now I'm gonna take my BW2. I'm gonna take a scoop, level it out. I'm gonna sprinkle it in there. And you really just wanna add, stir to see how much it thickens. You wanna get the developer nice and thick so that it doesn't run through the lace when you're applying it. And sprinkle that in. And that is the consistency that I want right there. And then my hair is not touching the lace. I don't want that to bleach. Bring this a little closer. I'm just gonna apply it. Now, if you're a beginner at this, you might want to wear gloves because if it gets on your skin, it'll turn your skin white. And it'll be very hard to get off your skin. And it'll sting a little. But I'm just getting all the lace, spreading it evenly, and gently just tapping it in. Tap, tap, tap. But I'm just gonna let that develop for about 10 to 15 minutes and check on it and see if the knots have successfully bleached. And then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and I successfully bleached the knots. So now it's time to rinse it out. Rinse it off the lace. It took about 30 to 35 minutes just for the knots to bleach. It took a little bit longer than usual, but 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna rinse it out with my shower head. I'm gonna put it on the hottest. Gonna put it on the hottest setting. And then I'm just gonna take it and put it on the lace so that it just slides off. I'm gonna take a little shampoo, rub it on the lace. Make sure it's all gone. I'm gonna turn the water back on. And I'm gonna rinse it off too. Just to make sure there's no more product sitting on my lace. And squeeze the lace out. Squeeze the lace. All the knots are bleached. She's looking beautiful. And I'm gonna leave her to air dry. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and the closure has fully dried and this is how it looks. Really nice looking. I've already put my dome cap on my wig head. Now I'm just gonna line up the closure where I want it to be at. And I'm gonna take my T-pins and pin it down. So now it's laying flat. This, and I'll wrap it around and get it out the way. And I'm gonna start at where the closure and the dome cap meet. And I'm gonna loop it through, bring the needle out. And I'm gonna loop it through the end of the thread. Like so. And I'm gonna pull. That's to secure it. And now I'm just gonna go in and out till I get to the other side of the closure. all the way around. Okay, now that the closure's sewn in, I'm going to take one of the packs of the 28-inch. So because the hair is so thin, I'm going to be single tracking only. I'm going to take my T-pin. And I'm going to pin the hair down. Now I'm going to turn it into 3 knots. I'm going to take my thread and move it forward. I'm going to take my track. I'm basically going to flip it so that it goes this way. Just going to take it, grab the end, and make it go back this way. And I'm going to T-pin it and pin it on this side as well. Just going to take my needle, loop it through the dome cap, and then through the weft. And take it through the O and the thread so I can secure it and pull. Loop it again. Do the O, pull, and I can remove the T-pin now. And I can remove the T-pin now because now it's secure on the end. I'm just going to continue to sew from this end all the way till I get to this end, and I'll come back when I'm done sewing my first one. So right here, I made it towards the top. I'm just finishing up sewing the last 2 bundles in, and I'm done.